Busting in left wing side, watched by Warren, thrown to the ice by Noah Warren as he takes the puck away, moves it up near side. Passage off, looking for Warren at neutral ice. He stick handles around him, man. He's going to walk in right side. Warren in front for Gaucher to the goal, save made by Portillo, and the rebound cleared aside. Coming to life in the last 9 games, Gulls looking to find their stride here. They got it right where they want him. 4-1 on the second day of a back-to-back. But look out, loose out in front, left wing side. It's Fagemo. Wires this one home for the opening tally. It's 1-0 Ontario. Roman Canal right wing side. Wheels in behind the net, brings it near side circle. Canal to Nesterenko at the point with a minute to go. Knifed away from Nesterenko, and the Gulls send it back to their own zone. And a foot race here as Lee gets to the check of Canal. And they'll set things up. Left wing side, Stanika is going to slide it home as he can fool Oscar Dansk. That's the second time he's gone 5-0 this period. This time it connects. Coming to life in the last 9 games, Gulls looking to find their stride here. They got it right where they want him. 4-1 on the second day of a back-to-back. But look out, loose out in front, left wing side. It's Fagemo. Wires this one home for the opening tally. It's 1-0 Ontario. A lot kicked away though by Tyson Hines. Here's Luno. He'll guide it ahead for Pastujov, who drops it into the zone off the boards and finds it once more in front. Caulfield twisting in front to the goal off the tape of Gaucher. Sends one over the net as he's able to body that pass down. It was actually a shooting attempt that he bodied and also created an offensive chance out of. They'll reset with the puck at the point. Move it right side for Gaudin. Twist it right back for Walsh. Waits, traffic in front, save made the rebound. Dansk on top of it, and it sets to the side for Fagemo to put home. 2:45 left. And it squirts loose towards the blue line, grabbed by Glenn Gaudin. He'll feed it out to neutral ice, where it's chopped at and into the zone, and it'll bounce into the net for Udon.